वेलकम टू द थर्ड एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केटिंग की गॉसिप्स। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन अ मार्केटिंग कैंपेन टर्न्स इनटू अ डिजास्टर। क्या होगा? लेट्स फाइंड आउट। सो इमेजिन दिस, you have got this killer marketing idea in your head. It's creative, it's bold, and you're already picturing yourself trending on Instagram, Twitter, and maybe even LinkedIn. Why not? And then, disaster strikes. And suddenly you're looking at your campaign thinking, Raita fell gaya hai, boss. Yes, we are talking about those times when marketing campaigns derail faster than a Blinkit कि 10 minute delivery stuck in Delhi का traffic jam, or I should say Bangalore का traffic jam. Today we'll revisit some hilarious marketing blunders that people usually do. And don't worry, देसी तड़का will be sprinkled generously क्योंकि कॉमेडी तो बनता है ना बॉस. So I think let's kick it off with Man Kiya Zomato Kiya, because we are always happy for food. Now we all know Zomato as that brand, quirky, bold and slightly savage brand which does its marketing geniusly. But even the pros can trip. Zomato robbed in Bollywood actors Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif for a star-studded ad campaign. But instead of winning hearts, campaign backfire ho gaya. Problem? Ad showcased Hrithik and Katrina ordering food from Zomato while sitting in their lavish homes complete with luxury decor and over-the-top settings. पब्लिक का रिएक्शन, भाई ऋतिक रोशन के पास इतने पैसे हैं तो ये जोमेटो का 60 रुपये का डिलीवरी चार्ज क्यों नहीं दे सकते. Memes started flooding social media with captions like ऋतिक की जिम बॉडी और कैटरीना का मैंशन देख के तो भूख ही मर गई. याद है ना, रिच पीपल प्रॉब्लम्स, प्राइवेट शेफ छोड़ के जोमेटो ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, क्या मीम है. While the campaign generated buzz, Zomato का brand sentiment dropped by 18% during the campaign period because users called it a tone deaf and out of touch with their core audience, middle class and working professionals, right? क्योंकि वो campaign का strategy did not match the mission of the target audience. Now here's a classic case of an idea gone wrong again. So there is this startup called Yes Madam. You might have realized अभी कुछ टाइम पहले की बात है when Saloon at Home service they were decided to prank their employees with fake layoffs to raise mental awareness. So this is basically an example of a wrong campaign where they tried to use negative words or maybe some interesting things to bring out the right campaign, but then layoffs, pranks, mental health awareness, it was all gone. भाई कौन से HR मैनुअल में लिखा करते हैं कि स्ट्रेस देना मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस बदलता है. एम्प्लॉयज वर शॉक्ड, कंफ्यूज्ड एंड बाय द टाइम दे रियलाइज इट वाज अ प्रैंक, इट वाज ऑलरेडी बैकफायर्ड. पूरा लिंक्डइन ने बैकफायर किया. यू ऑल्सो मस्ट हैव रेड इट समवेयर. सोशल मीडिया वॉज ब्रूटल. पीपल वर लाइक अवेयरनेस तो छोड़ो, यहाँ स्ट्रेस डबल कर दिया है. और यहाँ more than 80% of employees involved in this prank were completely unaware of the setup and experienced real stress and confusion. When they eventually realized it was a prank, reaction ranged from relief to outright anger. Outright. Lesson learned, timing and tone matter a lot. Awareness campaign should uplift people, not send them straight to fill in the blank. Swiggy usually gets it right. They are fun, relatable. उनका मीम कंटेंट भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. इट एक्चुअली हंग्री सोल का भूख बढ़ा देता है. बट देन came the Pasta La Vista campaign. याद है वो? A quirky attempt to tie food to pop culture reference from the Terminator. But here's the twist. Not everyone got it. Especially the audience who prefer Rajma Chawal over fancy Italian humor. The result? Mixed reactions. Some loved it. Others said pasta ठीक था, पर campaign में थोड़ा ज़्यादा sauce डाल दिया. This was the lesson in knowing your audience. मीम वर्दी कंटेंट तभी चलेगा जब पब्लिक को समझ आएगा. ओह, पेप्सी, दे लॉन्च्ड अ कैंपेन टारगेटिंग मिलियंस कॉल्ड बोर्ड टू बी मोर. द आइडिया वाज टू मेक पेप्सी द अल्टीमेट बोरेडॉम बस्टर, बट एग्जीक्यूशन यॉन वर्दी. अब तो मुझे भी नींद आ रही है. इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्साइटिंग पीपल, इट लेफ्ट देम इवन मोर बोर्ड. लाइक भाई पेप्सी लेने के लिए एक्साइट करने आए हो या लाइफ के एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस देने. Lesson, campaign need to connect emotionally, not but people to sleep, right? Otherwise सब पेप्सी की फिश चली जाती, no? So what can you take? So with these examples, I want to understand what can you take away from these marketing bloopers that turn into disaster. First, obviously, you have to know your audience well. A campaign that's too niche or tone deaf can quickly backfire. जैसे एकदम एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी बिरयानी सबको डाइजेस्ट नहीं होती ना, सेम वे. Humor is tricky. What's funny to you might be lame to others. Test your ideas before the world tests your patience. Third, mistakes happen, whether it's simple level disasters or fake layoffs gone wrong. What matters is how you recover and retaliate from them. At the end of the day, marketing is like risk लेते रहो लेकिन संभल के. And next time you see a campaign that makes you go ये क्या था, just laugh, learn and move on. Learn from the mistake for your next big campaign. Cheers to all the marketing Karayata moments. For any more updates, you can reach out to us because again, we are creative problem solvers.